How to get the highest discount on Temu. So you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle, or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And now once you are on Temu, what would I recommend is just simply going for the lighting deals over here. So here, just simply click on lightning deals and it will redirect you to another tab, and this is all of the products that have a huge discount. So guys, just simply select one product here that you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for this bag over here, and I'm just gonna click on add to cart over here. And now once I have added it to cart, a pop-up will show up, and just simply select a color. So let's say I'm gonna go for gray, and I'm gonna go for only one quantity and click on add the last few. And after that, just simply click on go to cart over here. And now from here, just simply select the product. And now just simply go for checkout. And guys, what would I recommend as well is using my coupon code. So just simply provide the coupon code over here, ACR697477, and just simply click on apply for an extra 30% discount. And after that, just simply do the usual process when you are ordering by simply providing the payment method and the right shipping address. And once you are done, you can just simply click on submit order and just simply provide the necessary information to buy this product with a huge sale. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.